Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I know I haven't been making videos lately. I've just been sick and we've been getting plummeted with snow and cold weather here in Seattle area. But the weather has brightened up a little bit. It's just not snowing or raining right now, so I'm taking advantage of that right now. If you're new to the channel, I am Bobby and this is my Lexus IS200T. That is Plastidip, and what I'm going to go over today is having a Plastidip car for about a year now, and I'll give you guys my little input on it. And we are going to go ahead and do something that I've been waiting to do for the past, I guess, this whole year, which is peel the dip off this car so I could get started and get it ready for this new car show season. So I've had the dip on for about 1 year now, and the dip is still pretty smooth here. There are not really any scratches on it at all. And I'm pretty sure that there would be rock chips on like normal painted cars, but there are no rock chips on here either. So it does help me protect from that as well. There's no scratches or scuffs anywhere other than the ones that I did myself. When I had the Christmas tree up on here, there's like some of them right here. I'm not sure if you guys can see them. Right here where I tightened the straps. I'm not sure if you guys see that on camera, but you know, that's something that you normally wouldn't find on your car if you dip it. But yeah, the pearls are still really good on it, and it all depends on just how you take care of the dip. But for being 1 year old, I mean, I don't daily drive this car anymore, but it does get its time outside as well. But yeah, it still looks very nice, very clean. All right, so I got the car back into the garage here, and if you are on my channel because of my Tesla, that video is coming soon, hopefully. I'm just waiting on my wheels right now to get here from overseas. They're being made and also shipped from overseas, so shipping from Japan can take a while. But yeah, that's the body kit right here, the Robot Craftsman body kit, and that's the hood over there. So yeah, I haven't unboxed it yet, obviously, as you guys can see here, so it's going to still right there. But this video is focusing on the Lexus here, so let's go ahead and I'm going to set the camera down and start peeling the dip off of this car and see how long it takes. So when I peel the dip off, I kind of like use a microfiber cloth to rough the edges right here around the whole hood so that it gets kind of like this. You guys can see how it is right here. And so like down here I haven't roughed it yet, but over here it is kind of peeling right there. So I kind of just like work like that all the way along the hood here. That way I'll be able to pull it off in a big section. And if you dip your car correctly with like the correct amount of product and the layers and everything, the dip should come off pretty easy in one big sheet instead of like little baby pieces. So that's something that that gives Plastidip a bad rep, because they will just do whatever they have to do just to get the color on, and without putting the correct amount of layers. And then when they try to dip it, I mean when they try to peel it, it doesn't come off, and it's just because they did it incorrectly. And then they're going to try to say that it's the product when it's actually user error. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do this around the edge of the hood here, and it's going to be the same thing for the door over here as well. You just take the microfiber cloth, kind of just see if I can do it right here. So right here you can see that nothing's been done yet. So I just do this. You know, you can see right here, kind of just peeling off right here already, like that. So just do this like around the edges, and it just creates like a better foundation for you to peel.
収賞隣の客はよくかき食う客だよく食う時に聞き耳立てたら畑やぶ焼けかけた庭庭庭庭鳥がいるが庭庭庭がにわかに広すぎるな日々蛇の方の日々の幅やハブの方の日々の幅にビビっての上手な坊主が上手に屏風に坊主と上手の絵を描いたラバカラバカラバカラバカわからないのでラバカラバを比べたらラバカラバカわからなかった庭庭庭庭鳥がいるが庭庭庭がにわかに広すぎるな日々蛇の方の日々の幅やハブの方の日々の幅にビビっての上手な坊主が上手に屏風に坊主と上手の絵を描いたラバカラバカラバカラバカわからないのでラバカラバを比べたらラバカラバカわからなかったこの釘は引き抜きにくい釘だ引き抜きにくいが引き抜き
Alright guys, so it's been a few hours and I am completely finished taking the white body off the car, the front lip, and the splitter. I gotta make a new splitter, but I won't show you guys how I make that because I've got a couple videos on how I do that already. But yeah, this is how it looks like right here. The whole white body kit is off the car. I gotta take it out and wash it. But yeah, this is how she is right here. So having the dip on for a year, it came off pretty good, and I'm pretty sure that if I left it on for like 3, 4, 5 years, it still would have came off pretty easy as well. There were some parts that were kind of harder to get off, like underneath the side skirt here, because of the angle that I spray at. It's kind of hard to get all the way underneath there. But other than that, everywhere else was pretty easy. There weren't too many stubborn spots. Other than like the hood here, like I don't know, maybe it was just only like this side that was kind of thin. I'm not too sure what happened. But yeah, if you guys are thinking about dipping your car, go ahead and do it. If you guys need any pointers, hit me up on Instagram at _too-slow-for-you _. But yeah guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Give this video a like and subscribe if you have not yet. My next video is going to be me dipping the car, and I am collabing with Dip Your Car to get my the next color on this car. So I reached out to Fonzie, who is the owner of Dip Your Car, to ask him, hey, you know, can you send me any pearl, any color that you want for my Lexus, and I will spray it on my Lexus. And I have that package over here in my mess over here, but I have not opened it yet. I've had it for about a month now, and I'm not going to open it until we open it together in the next video. So I will be completely surprised. It could be pink, it could be yellow, purple, it could be white for all I know, and I'm not like a fan of white. Yeah, like I said, I just told them to send me any pearl and that I will pay for it. So yep, we'll see what color they chose for my Lexus next. Do you guys have any ideas what the color is going to be? Leave it down in the comments below. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to enjoy life and go slow.